Did you know that the speed and reliability of your office network depend on how well your LAN is set up? Whether it's slow file transfers, spotty Wi-Fi, or printers that just won't connect, a poorly designed LAN can bring your work to a standstill. But what if you could build a LAN that's fast, reliable, and secure? In this video, we'll break down the essentials of local area networks, from Ethernet and IP protocols to switches and routers, and show you how to create a network that powers your business seamlessly. Ready to transform your LAN? Let's get started.
A LAN, local area network, is a network of computers and other components that are located relatively close to each other. The size of a LAN can range from 2 computers in an office to hundreds of computers spread across several buildings. Unlike a WAN, wide area network, a LAN offers a higher data transfer rate for a smaller geographic area. Today, most small offices include a router for internet connectivity, Wi-Fi terminals, printers, servers, PCs, mobile phones, and switches. The components of a LAN are hosts. This includes any equipment that can send or receive data on the local network, for example, PCs or servers. Interconnections. These are the physical parts that allow the data to move from one point to another in the network. Interconnections are broken into 2 types of components. There's the NIC or network card. It translates the data produced by the computer into a format that can be transmitted over the local network. And there are network media, which can include copper cables and fiber optics. There's also wireless connectivity, such as Wi-Fi. In a LAN, we have network devices, like switches or routers. These are responsible for delivering data between hosts. And there are protocols. These are processes that facilitate good communication between multiple computers or networked devices. Among the most commonly used LAN protocols are the Ethernet protocol, which is used for packet switching, breaking data into discrete packets with an address, like a letter in an envelope, so multiple computers can use the network at once. There's IP, or the Internet Protocol, which is used to access the Internet. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, which controls how data is sent between hosts. This allows for more secure communication. We have UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, which also allows data to be sent between 2 devices, like TCP, except that it doesn't guarantee correct delivery. Nor does it care whether packets arrive in the right order. UDP, mainly used for voice-over IP and online gaming. Have you ever been playing an online game and after a glitch, seen someone walk through an object that wasn't there before? Packets arriving in the wrong order can have amusing effects. We have ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, which lets you find out the physical address of a network card from its IP address. RARP, Reverse ARP, is much less used, but produces the opposite effect, i.e. it's kind of reverse directory of logical and physical addresses. A logical address refers to an IP address, while a physical address refers to the MAC address. Logical addresses can change, while a device's physical address always stays the same. Going back to our protocols. We have CIFS, which is a file server protocol. It stands for Common Internet File System, and allows permanent connections between a client and a server to be established. It's only used on Windows. On Unix, you'll use the NFS, Network File System, protocol. And finally, there's DHCP, Dynamic Host Control Protocol. DHCP is primarily used to distribute IP addresses over a network.